Although there hasn't been any concrete information about the product yet, there have long been rumors that Tesla plans to make its smartphone debut. Recently, there have been online reports that Elon Musk will launch his own smartphone in July, breaking into the phone industry. Elon Musk is a wonderful person. As we all know, he has a more broader view of the future than the ordinary person. His particular vision also changed the car manufacturing market and popularized electric vehicles in his company SpaceX. I believe that in July 2022, the world will see a novelty from Elon Musk Tesla phone, and it won't only be a smartphone that can compete with all the current industry heavyweights, but really the best smartphone. This, in all likelihood, will put them behind by a few steps. Is the Tesla Model Pi really going on sale on June 15? Let's figure it out a bit. Watch our video to the end to learn more. The processor characteristics in the Tesla phone are comparable to the Apple 13 Pro. So at least Apple easily competes with the latest enhanced version. It is very well suited for games. Don't overlook the combination, please. The smartphone, along with the Tesla electric vehicle, will become a single whole. First, there is a technology that allows for wireless 5-watt charging of smartphones up to 3 meters away from a car battery. You're not even required to use the to begin. Take the device out of your pocket or bag. It is similar to how the Chinese Xiaomi was created. Second, a system that will examine your online behavior is being developed and will be run by a Neuralink brain implant before you have a chance to consider your options. The route will be laid out in the Navigator. Also, the creation of Elon Musk was originally developed on the basis of Neuralink technology, which is useful for people with brain injuries. The user will be given the opportunity to control the smartphone without using fingers, which sounds promising. Elon Musk claims that Tesla Fan will offer certain additional features in addition to the usual management of the phone by the power of mind for the users of the chip. It will be logical to assume that convenient management of a Tesla car is one of these features. Tesla will no longer need to steer, just thinking will do. Order to turn the steering wheel, and the phone will transmit a signal to the computer of the car. Secondly, owners of Tesla phones will be able to directly exchange messages without pressing the keyboard. The Musk explained that with the Neuralink, the need for a screen as such will disappear. After all, the phone will be able to display a message on the retina from the inside or project it onto any other surface. A lot of people will undoubtedly choose to get a Tesla phone because it will be a special smartphone with capabilities that aren't found in any other smartphones on the market right now. Let's see what standard characteristics it has and what is unique about it. Tesla Model Pi is a smartphone that will stand out against the background of a huge number of modern gadgets in the hands of users. From the futuristic appearance to the built-in special functions that are unusual for phones, every last detail has been worked out. It will be the first phone that supports mobile communication and the ability to connect to a satellite network. More information regarding the impending introduction of a novelty that will completely revolutionize how we perceive telephony won't start to surface until the spring of 2022, where it has been less obvious. Let's better understand its uniqueness and characteristics. The 8 series of Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Although there are rumors that the basis will be invested in its own development. RAM 16 GB, built-in memory for a choice of 512 GB to 1 TB. Fast charging type C100W. The battery capacity is still in question. Charging speed up to 100% in less than 10 minutes. Dust and moisture protection level IP68. The camera with Zypix is equipped with 4 lenses, including for stunning night shooting, especially for photos of the night sky, macro, and wide-angle modes. The front photographs will be taken from below the screen, which is unusual for our smartphones. The phone has a solar panel on the back that lets you give it a 20% charge in 30 minutes of light exposure. So for instance, if you're far from civilization and can't charge your phone, you can still stay in touch by simply holding it up to the sun. None of the current flagships can brag of having such a chance. In order to provide the planet's surface with high-speed internet via satellites, Elon Musk's SpaceX space company has developed the Starlink project. The Tesla phone has the capacity to instantly connect to and utilize high. It's interesting to note who created the design. Antonio de Rosa, who helped create the majority of Apple's devices and the brand's aesthetic. The front cover is made of an incredibly tough material, and the design has a faint resemblance to the iPhone. Owners of a built-in solar panel on the back of the Tesla phone will be pleased to know that it won't scratch when dropped. Prior to that, portable chargers had these additions. The smartphone will now act as a mobile charging station. The device will replenish the battery supply by 20% in 30 minutes of direct sunlight, the maker guarantees. Very impressive figures, considering that many currently used smartphones will not always please with such a speed of charging from electricity. The phone is released in January of this year. All information about the release or production on an industrial scale of the Tesla Phone Pi is covered in darkness. The intrigue and gossip around the event thickens, replenished with new facts. The launch date is still a mystery. What is the price of the Tesla background? Elon Musk promises truly unique ideas that should overcome the well-established swamp of advancements from Apple, Samsung, and other manufacturers, regardless of whether the preliminary parameters match. Let's first examine the features of the device that is being created. Elon Musk has the power to significantly reduce the appeal of high-end Apple products and Android devices. Now that we have an idea of what this amazing smartphone will look like. This has been made possible by the graphics of the first Tesla smartphone that were revealed on the Chinese website MikeDrivers, run by Elon Musk. It goes without saying that the more sophisticated a smartphone is overall, the more people will want to purchase one for themselves because they will know and comprehend what they are spending their money on. This is the storied electric car manufacturer's first smartphone, and the novelty is not your ordinary mobile device, but an extremely advanced device with some unique engineering solutions. The complete Tesla phone presentation will occur later, and sales are anticipated to begin near the end of 2022. How much Elon Musk will value his innovative revolutionary invention is yet unknown. However, it's likely that the $690 price tag claims are true, or at least that they fall within a similar price range. I appreciate your watching. Please leave a comment and subscribe to our channel.